Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ. So today we're dropping into Cryptoflare. We're going to be doing a super quick update looking at how our account is progressing and how much closer we are to passive income. So keep watching. Okay, and welcome to another video. And remember, if this is your first time visiting my channel and you want to learn more about how to earn cryptocurrency for free, about cloud mining sites, crypto investments and lots of other crypto related stuff, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tag that notification bell so you're alerted to all my latest content as it comes online. Okay, so as you can see, we're here at the Cryptoflare account, my Cryptoflare account, and if we just quickly drop into the dashboard. And so 2 months ago was the last time we did a video for Cryptoflare. Now, with this site, it is pretty much what I class as a bit of a slow burner, in the sense of that it does take a while to build up your account and start seeing those Bitcoin coming in. So basically that's why I don't do videos too regular on this platform, but I do tend to find that if I leave it long enough, you guys start asking me what's going on with your account, how are you progressing and stuff like that. So that's sort of why I've now doing another video. So like I say, it was 2 months ago the last time that we were in here, and since then obviously we were 2 months ago on level 2. You can now see we're just creeping in to level 3, and we've got today in our balance 336.75 sats, and in total we have so far earned 17,358 with 0.58 sats derivatives of but obviously you guys probably want to know, well, okay, so what are you doing to get there? How are you building your account? Now, when it comes to these sites, as I've told you in the past, basically I've got so many of these programs that I'm trying to keep track of, trying to build up so you guys can actually see my progress rather than me just saying to you, oh yeah, go and sign up to that, and then me just getting a referral commission for absolutely doing nothing. I like to make sure that you can see my progress and that I'm working just as hard as you guys to get to that final goal. So basically, because I have so many programs going on, I do tend to be a little lazy when it comes to these. So obviously when I first log in, the first thing I'm going to do is the faucet right here. Then the next thing I'll do is I'll drop into manual claim, and I will do that here, which we can do again. I've already done this once today. And there we go. That's another 2 sats. And then you can do that every 15 minutes. So the next thing, we'll go in and we'll do surfer ads, but I've already done it, so there's nothing there. But when you come in here, there should be at least 2 or 3 ads you can click on. And obviously also as well, if we go back to home, if you want to know how much you're earning from each thing you're doing, if you scroll down here, you can look at EXP anyway. So what basically will progress you through your levels. You can see for surf ads, that's going to give you 15 EXP. Short links will give you 12. Offer wall will give you 10. Read articles will give you 7, and manual claim will give you 5. And obviously that's on every time you do. So every time you do a short link, you're going to get 12 EXP. Every time you surf an ad, you're going to get 15. Anything you do it through the offer walls, you're going to get 10. Read articles, you're going to get 7 per article. And then your manual claim, you're going to get 5 per manual claim. So, you know, that's a real good way to make sure that obviously your progress is going through as it should. So once we've done the surf ads, I do go into the short links. A lot of people have asked me what short links I do on here. So what I would tend to do is shrink earn, EXE, Mitly, clicks, I guess that's meant to be, bird URLs, FC LC, Owlink, Qt or Cutty, Z Short, you're probably wondering why I'm not doing all of them. It's basically EX4 Ferrari. I do. You're probably wondering why I miss out quite a lot. It's basically because I tend to find that, and I don't know if it's me. I think it is me. I think it's probably the setup I have with my firewall and my antivirus. Is a lot of times it just won't work for me. So I'm just telling you the ones I do, or it basically the site will allow me to do. Add URL, I think I do. Fairly certain I do that. I think I missed it. I think I've maybe not told you all of them. I think I've told you most of the ones I do. Shrink PE, I definitely do. Shrink Me, I do. CC URL, I do. And I think that's about it. I might have missed out one or two that I do, and I've just forgotten them to do because I haven't done them today. As you can see, I've not actually done my short links today, but the ones I've just told you are pretty much all the ones that I do. So then basically the next thing we'll do is go into the offer walls. Now on the offer walls, I will do extensive. I will do Skippy ads. I do bit labs, although that can be a little glitchy, but I do that. I do e-wall. I do drip offers. And for those of you that don't know a whole lot about Cryptoflare, but think it looks like a fun and interesting way to earn yourself some free crypto, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link to an earlier video that acts like a tutorial in the description. Now that's going to give you a lot more information and a better understanding of how the program works and what you need to be doing to get your accounts up and running and earn yourself some of these free coins. But if you go right to the end of this video, that link will be there also, so you can just click straight on it and get watching. And I think that's about it. Drip Offers is one of my favorites because in there you can go and basically do, so in the PTC ads you'll get, I think it's like 10 links. I think it's about 10 links or so that you click on and you'll watch some short videos. And then the short links, it will give you 25 short links, but they all work. And basically it's just essentially, it's a bit like a website rotator. Every one you click on is slightly different. It's a different website that you'll view, and then there'll be a pop-up. Once that pop-up fully loads, close it, and then it will tell you that it's completed. And then you can just, and you'll do that 25 times essentially, and you do that every single day. Excuse me, I am about to cough. As you can tell, I'm still sick. Well, I'm not sick. I've just got this cough, and I had it like years ago, or a year or so ago. I had it really bad, and then it's just come back about a week ago, and for some weird, and now I can't get rid of it again. So I don't know what's going on. Anyway, offer walls, and then obviously you'll read articles, which are really easy to do, and they're absolutely brilliant. Also as well, they can be quite interesting if you get some good ones. So you basically just click on it. It will, if we just quickly do it, click on it. So you solve the captcha. So that's going to be it. Click go. Then you click on this link at the top here. And then you got this bar at the top here, which is your countdown. Now, you don't even have to look at the article if you don't want to, but if if you want to, you can obviously scroll through it and read it. Also as well, if you come down the bottom, you'll see this here. So rather than looking at a boring progress line just going across the top of it, you can actually come down and you've got a timer. So you know when that is done. And then obviously once that has done, you can then collect however many Satoshis is going to give you. Sometimes it can be as little as 1, sometimes it can be as many as 7, but also remember is every time you're doing this, you're also getting that 7 EXP, which is going towards your progress and your levels. So we'll just wait for this. Got a minute and 37 left. Once we've done this, we'll drop into the rev share, because I know that's really the big thing for you guys, because obviously that then shows sort of like what our income is and what we're looking to do, try and get to, which is 1,000 Satoshis per month. That's sort of like what the aim is to get that. So that means we can withdraw 1,000 Satoshis every month, but obviously we'd still be using the site. But obviously, the sort of the aim is 1,000. But obviously, we want to get higher because 1,000 Satoshis, you know, every month is not a huge amount. So obviously, you want to keep building that. But what I'm saying, but right now, I'm not withdrawing. I'm just sort of doing what I'm doing is what I've shown you, and then I'm building up my rev share and all that to the point where we can then start withdrawing on a monthly basis. But after that, the idea is to still build your account. Okay, so we got 24 seconds left. Okay, so we do this, which is going to be that one. Verify. And there we go. So we got 3 Satoshis from that. Then we also got our 7 EXP added to our level. And like I say, you've got quite a few articles you can do that. And obviously that's going to, you know, build up your balance and everything quite nicely. Okay, so now this is obviously what you guys are mainly interested in. If we drop into the rev share, you can see I completely forgot, and I actually claimed my sort of what I had accumulated for the day. So we've got a total of 342 Satoshis to reinvest. I'm making over 200, basically from everything I've just shown you, I'm making basically over 200 Satoshis daily, which is what I'm then investing back into the site. But then also as well, we've got the daily what we're earning, our rev share balance that we can add to our daily income, and then that basically is what you're looking at sort of there. Okay, so 1 month ago our account was this number here was at, 2 months ago, isn't it? 2 months ago it was at 11477. So 2 months ago we were earning on a daily basis 7.8, so let's say 8 Satoshis. Weekly we were earning 55, monthly we were earning 235, and yearly we were earning 2,869. Now we take this figure, but we still got to add our income as well. So right now we are earning 2-3. So right now we are earning, let's say 12 per day, 81 a week when it was obviously 55, 349 monthly when it was 285, and we were actually below 3,000, I believe, and we're now at 4,255 Satoshis yearly. So what that would actually mean is we could actually withdraw essentially 4 times over the year. if that's what we were looking to do. But obviously that's not what we're looking to do. But we are going to reinvest our 342 here, 342. Okay, so invest. So this is now going to take us to, okay, 17365. So now we're earning 83 a week, 356 a month, and 4,341 a year. So obviously, you know, it's not a huge increase, but from what we've just looked at, but that's only added we've only added 342 satoshis. But over that 2-month period, you know, to this number here, that is quite a big jump. Like I say, a yearly we were actually at 2,800 and something, and now we're at 4,341 that we've built that up over the last 2 months. So I think that's actually quite positive. And monthly we're at nearly 360 a month. So obviously, like I say, it is a bit of a slow burner when it comes to building, but obviously, I mean, right now we could withdraw that 17,365, but then we've got to start all over again. So the point is to build this up to the point where we can get a regular income without actually affecting our investment. And then but then obviously, like I say, we would still keep building. So our 1,000 a month would then go to, 1,100, 1,200, 2,000, blah, 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 and that's obviously the idea. Once we got to 1,000 a month, I don't think, I'm not sure, what I'd probably do is make a few withdrawals, but at the same time, then maybe a withdrawal every other month, and then for the month I don't withdraw, I would reinvest that. So I keep topping it up in quite good increments, and obviously I will still be using the site, which by then hopefully our levels will have gone up quite considerably. We'll be earning a lot more daily. So I mean, I might not have to reinvest the rev share. I might not have to reinvest that, because by that time, hopefully our daily earnings will be a lot better than they are now. So then we can keep reinvesting our earnings, and then obviously we can keep withdrawing our rev share. So that is the plan. So anyway, I'm not going to keep you any longer. Hope you found that helpful and informative. And if you can, smash that like button, please. It really does support my channel, which then helps me make more content to help you. So take care, have a great rest of your day, and I'll speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.